Accountability. How will you remain personally accountable to resolving your internal F.I.R.E.S problem statement and to achieving each goal and objective? How will you track progress and measure your results? What system of organization or other methodology will you use to collect data and to manage improvements? To ensure a successful completion of your goals and objectives, you will need feedback and focus. Choose an accountability partner to whom you will regularly communicate progress. This can be a relative, a friend, or another trusted person. We recommend someone, other than your spouse, who will keep your best interests in mind. The following pages of your workbook are a summary sheet of key statements, goals, and solutions necessary to accomplish your personal development strategy. Tape a copy of this summary to your bathroom mirror, your refrigerator, or wherever else you need to be reminded of your personal commitment. Return to this internal F.I.R.E.S section in a few weeks after your strategy implementation to reevaluate your progress and success. Enough talk. Implement! Reevaluation. Now that several weeks have passed since you implemented your personal development strategy, briefly describe your success in resolving your internal F.I.R.E.S problem statement. Are you celebrating each accomplishment? Refer back to the internal F.I.R.E.S vision statement you wrote, describing your desired picture of the future. Is the future you are now experiencing anything like you expected back then? Why or why not? What tweaks or changes must you make to your personal development strategy? Are you on track to resolve your original internal F.I.R.E.S problem statement and related goals? Is it time to repeat these process steps to resolve a new internal F.I.R.E.S problem statement? Your internal F.I.R.E. is the result of where you invest your self-focused, free time and energy. It's about what you do for you. When you choose to actively light and tend a well-managed internal F.I.R.E., you ensure that the things you do for you are bringing you closer to becoming the person you want to become. The stuff of your internal F.I.R.E. is found in the way you manage your holistic health, the hobbies you pursue, and the hopes you hold regarding personal goals and dreams.